Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for tonight's reading, this is a free tarot video reading for one of my top gifters in one of my live streams. So check the comments down below if you have your name tagged. However, if your name is not there, this reading may also resonate with Gemini and Virgo. So Magician reversed. Maybe there is someone around you, Gemini or Virgo, that's trying to push you into doing something na hindi mo pa naa-assess. And make sure na hindi ganito yung energy nyo o mo towards someone. Like, respect, know your boundaries, and wag pang himasukan ng desisyon ng isang tao. Bottom of the deck is Chariot, so maybe someone is thinking about moving forward or proceeding into maybe relocation, travel, or maybe someone would like to buy any mode of transportation, like maybe may kaibigan ka or may someone around you, or pwedeng ikaw rin, you're thinking about buying a bike, scooter, car, whatever na mode ng transportation, or a boat I'm hearing. So maybe if you're a fisherman or fisher folk, maybe you're thinking about having your own boat. I don't know if ikaw tong nagde-decide whether bibilin mo yon or magpo-proceed ka sa decision na yon o ipo-push mo ba yon or not. Basta ang main idea is make sure na yung decision mo is based from your own assessment. Hindi yung dinidiktahan ka, pine-pressure ka. Kasi nananarantang magician reverse eh. Yung kunwari cheerleader sila pero parang pag nagka leche-leche yung yung decision mo, yung opportunity na nasayang sila sasalo. So, make sure na no one around you give you, parang kung merong mang someone around you na nag-give off ng ganong energy, make sure na hindi ka magpapadikta, hindi ka magpapapressure, hindi ka magpapataranta. However, if there is someone around you na parang ikaw pa yung mas excited sa gagawin nila, make sure na hindi mo sila pinapressure, hindi mo sila pinupush into something na hindi pa nila napag-iisipan ng maayos. Especially if wala ka namang ambag dun sa budget na kakailanganin. Okay? Now, what do you need to focus on instead is Page of Swords, knowing the details. So, if ikaw yung magdedesisyon, parang ano ba yung kakailanganin na documents? Kaya ba ng budget mo? Kung sasakyan to, parang saan mo ipaparada? Parang allowed ba sa place nyo? Okay lang ba? Wala bang HOA na magre-reklamo? Or if this is the decision na kailangan gawin ng ibang tao, tapos ikaw yung mas excited dun sa tao, do your research. Na parang, oy, di ba, nagdadalawang isip ka regarding this matter. Kung ipupush mo bang yung final na ba yung decision mo regarding this specific thing. Ito yung nakita ko, nag-research ako ng information for you. Ito, pandagdag assessment mo bago ka mag-finalize. Hindi yung gora ka lang ng gora, na push ka ng push. Or, hindi yung, oo ka na lang kasi tinataranta ka ng mga tao around. Okay? So, whichever is applicable. This is a general reading, by the way, so take however it resonates. Now, if you're going to do that, possible outcome is King of Pentacles. So, kung ikaw yung nagde-desisyon, tapos hindi ka nagpapadikta, Pentacles is being careful. Yung step by step ang fina-follow. If need ng plan B, plan C, plan D, plan E, parang ito yung parang magiging pulido yung pag-assess kung ifa-finalize mo yung decision na yun or not kasi hindi ka nagpataranta. Pero if ikaw yung nagbibigay ng information, hindi ka manghihimasok sa decision ng iba, there's a big possibility na tatandaan to ni kung sino man yung nagde-decide. Kasi parang tawag nito, as much as possible ng Pentacles, more information, the better. Para ma-assess nila ng maayos. And usually, earth signs, pag natulungan mo to, ito yung talaga nag-give back. Na parang, oy, dati tinulungan mo ko, sige, ito yon, tutulungan kita. Parang ganun. So, there's a big possibility that this person will help you back if you need help. At saka, maiwasan mo rin yung conflict with this person. Bottom of the deck is Eight of Pentacles reversed. Again, kung sino man ang Magician reverse sa situation, may ito yung nananaranta sa'yo, yung mas atat sa'yo, or ikaw yung mas atat sa iba. Kung hindi budget mo ang gagamitin, huwag kang makialam. Kung hindi budget nila ang gagamitin, huwag mo silang hayaang mangialam. Okay? So there. That's for you, Virgo and Gemini. And if you're tagged, this is your free tarot reading video post. And thank you so much for being one of the top gifters in one of my live streams. And if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message.